Hi friends, welcome to Kalpana's Kitchen. This video is about the Pathai Prabhu Thali event we had at my place on 5th February.
Can you just tell us how the experience was?
Wow, yeah. Our relative Ashish brought us here saying that this is the next best food that we will have after his wedding reception, and I think he was just being modest because this was absolutely amazing. Every dish that I had was wonderful, out of this world. But the one I liked was the aloo, which was superb.
So you had the vegetarian thali.
I'm a pure vegetarian, so for me, every dish that I ate was absolutely heavenly. And even when I think of it now, I'm salivating now. So get back to how it is. Great, thanks.
So Ashish, you've been here for the second time, I believe.
Yeah, this is my second or I think third time that I'm having auntie's food, and as always, it is amazing. The best part is that because I've been here before, she takes care that she doesn't repeat a dish, which is amazing and great of her. And I think the better experience this time was that because we had a few vegetarians with us, the range was almost double. So we got to taste a few dishes of vegetarians, which we have not done before in the couple of times that I've come. So I think it's quite good, and you can see that I'm already falling asleep because the food was so awesome. Thank you.
What about you?
Yes, I had a nice time. I being a Maharashtrian, I've eaten the authentic fish items and all. But the Pathare Prabhu cuisine which I had today was out of the world. The bowl and Khadkhadla, yes. Those two items were out of the world. खूप मजा आली. We had a great time, and I look forward to coming again very soon. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So how was your experience?
Awesome vegetarian food.
Yeah, what all did you have?
What did I had aloo ki bhaji, which was very good. The usal was awesome. The bangan bhatta was awesome. What the kabuli?
Bhanola.
That was very good. I've not had that before.
The date, was something a taste which has never had before.
So do you have any suggestions that this could be made better? As in whatever.
No, I'll come for even the same thali again. I will come for the vegetarian one the next time. I'll be a pure vegetarian because I was looking at their dishes and I wanted to make that as well. But I didn't want to make the two. So next time I'll come as a vegetarian and have the vegetarian cuisine.
We have one guest over here who's hidden. We'll come back and come later. All right. So how was the experience today? How did you find the food?
So I came here not really like knowing exactly what to expect, but like honestly for me, the moment I was done with my meal, I realized that it's probably one of the best seafood lunches, the best seafood experience I've had in a very long time. So yeah, it's I just the first thing I did was we had taken some pictures of the food. I uploaded it to the friends of mine who had called for this thing, and they didn't come. And the question they're asking is when is it going to happen next? Because they're just dying to come.
Any favorites on the plate that you had?
Well, they were all really good, but I think what stood out for me was the bombil in the slightly achar flavor, and yeah, I mean that was excellent. The pomfret was probably one of the freshest I've had in a long time. So it was really good.
Yeah, I mean, I really like the fact that the food is really light. It's obviously very homely, and you don't feel. I mean, you can obviously feel like you can eat till like 2 stomachs are full, you know. And my favorite was the dudi halwa, obviously the pomfret, I mean all the fish. And, yeah, I mean as Nick was like fresh ingredients and you know everything had a distinct flavor, and you know nothing was there was no sort of repetition in any way. Everything was unique and distinct.
See one which I think everybody since an afternoon and everyone's happy and everything. I don't sing a sad song. So I'll sing a song called Sham. So guys, if you're watching this, we just had a great lunch at Kalpana's kitchen. Okay, and I know at some point it'll be amazing if you guys also come down and try it out. It's one of the best food experiences I've had in a long time. So here's a song called Sham. I think you know to sing it.
शाम भी कोई जैसे है नदी लहर जैसे बही है कोई अनकही कोई अनसुनी बात धीमे धीमे कह रही है कहीं ना कहीं जागी हुई है कोई आरज़ू कहीं ना कहीं खोए हुए से मैं बूम 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 पारा मैं खामोश दो बूम 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 पारा मैं खामोश दो जो गुमसुम है फिजाएं कहती सुनती है ये निगाहें गुमसुम है फिजाएं
Super.
No, this is